back, my friends. This is Lindsay back with another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead not only provides you with an Apple laptop, so you don't even have to have your own computer equipment. They're going to provide everything that you need to be able to do the job. They are also giving you a monthly stipend for your cell phone bill and internet. So, on top of providing the computer equipment for you, they are going to give you money to pay for your internet. And on top of that, they are paying decent, anywhere from $23 to $25 an hour. So we'll just dive on in. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this is in the YouTube description box below this video. And this is for my United States folks only. Today's job lead is from the company Peerspace. Now, Peerspace is more of an event booking type platform. They're on a mission to bring people together. They run a marketplace of the world's most unique spaces, lofts, rooftops, photo studios, so people can book most activities like weddings, photo shoots, team meetings, all kinds of things. And so they are looking for a customer experience associate to help with those bookings. Now, they are hiring within the United States with no state restrictions. However, you must be willing to work Pacific Standard Time hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you're outside of that time zone, you need to convert your hours to that time zone to see if that will work for you. But they are basically looking for someone to provide friendly and efficient service to the Peerspace host and guests to make sure they have a seamless, no-hassle booking experience. You'll identify and execute opportunities to surprise and delight their host and guests. You'll serve as a first point of contact on onboarding hosts and recommending locations to service the guest. You'll engage customers thoughtfully and professionally via existing support channels. Those can include phone, email, and live chat. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position, it does say it requires a bachelor degree from an accredited university. They are looking for someone who has a passion for problem solving, someone who has great communication skills, great interpersonal skills, and is comfortable prioritizing tasks across multiple potential competing opportunities or demands. Now, if you don't mind customer service, again, they are paying $23 to $25 an hour. Of course, they offer the standard benefit package of medical, dental, vision coverage, 401k, paid time off. They also give you a 20% discount if you want to do bookings on Peerspace yourself. But again, down here talks about they give you an Apple laptop with the 4K display. They give you a stipend to set up your home office, a monthly cell phone and internet credit, all the things. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.